Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Looking for quality ANC earbuds at a reasonable price? Check out the new PaMu Quiet Mini. With good noise cancellation and sound quality, the PaMu Quiet Mini are currently priced under $60. Plus, at least for me, they have an excellent fit and are much less likely than AirPods Pro to fall out of my ears. Lots to love here. Let's check these out in greater detail. So the Quiet Mini is the quote-unquote mini version of the original PaMu Quiet ANC earbuds that I reviewed last fall. I was very impressed with the PaMu Quiet and have been using them daily as my go-to gym earbuds ever since. I thought the PaMu Quiet earbuds were a great deal at $89 when I first reviewed them. The PaMu Quiet Mini is much less expensive at $59 and seems basically just as good, if not better in some ways. Compared with its predecessor, the only area that I found to be lacking is the charging case, which is a little clunky and cheap looking, but it has almost double the storage capacity of the original PaMu Quiet's case, and it's significantly smaller, so it's much more practical. Plus, the new PaMu Quiet Mini has an upgraded Bluetooth version, 5.2, which gives it extremely low latency, which is great for gaming, and the playtime for the earbuds themselves is now longer than on the original PaMu Quiet. Unboxing the Quiet Mini is a pleasure. For their price point, they come in very good packaging. The box looks and feels high quality with nice graphics. Going inside, we have the earbuds themselves in their charging case, along with a storage bag, a USB-C cable, some instruction and quick start guides, and 2 additional sizes of ear tips. The company was kind enough to send me out 2 of the 3 colors the Quiet Mini comes in. We have the pearl white here, as well as an attractive pale blue color. There's also a black version available. Looking at the charging case, it's pretty unremarkable in appearance, and as I said, it honestly probably is the least impressive thing about the PaMu Quiet Mini. Functionality-wise, it's fine. It charges via USB-C as well as with wireless charging, and the earbuds themselves charge quickly and easily nestled in their little cradles. But it's not a very exciting looking case. This case from the recently introduced ZMI AirPods Pro is smaller and much more attractive, for example, as is the case for the AirPods Pro themselves. However, the Quiet Mini case is significantly smaller than the case for the original PaMu Quiet earbuds, so that's a major improvement in my book. Plus, it offers almost double the storage capacity. The Quiet Mini's case is nothing to write home about, but at least it's relatively small, and it will hold approximately 3 full recharges for the Quiet Mini, depending on volume and ANC use, for a battery storage life of around 13.5 hours. When you add on the power that's stored in the fully charged earbuds, you'll have up to 18 hours again, depending on volume and ANC use. Finally, charging time for the earbuds is 1.5 hours. The case itself will charge in 1.5 hours if you're charging it via USB-C, or a slightly slower 2 hours if you're using wireless charging. Looking at the earbuds themselves, these are identical to the PaMu Quiet earbuds, same design, size, and weight, although they feel very slightly lighter weight in my ears for some reason. Same excellent fit with your standard choice of 3 ear tips. Playtime is up to 4.5 hours depending on ANC use and volume, and 10 minutes in the charging case will get you an hour of playtime. Compared to the AirPods Pro, they're very slightly larger, but are actually a little bit lighter in weight. I love my AirPods Pro, but I'm one of those unlucky people whose ears don't fit them very well. Putting these ugly pieces of tape on my AirPods Pro helps, but they still tend to fall out of my ears very easily. The PaMu Quiet and these new PaMu Quiet Mini earbuds do not, making them great for the gym or other active pursuits. As far as customization is concerned, there's a pretty decent app where you can customize your touch control functions and switch in and out of gaming mode. When the app was first released back when the original PaMu Quiet came out, it crashed frequently, but that no longer seems to be an issue. You can also access the user manual there and any firmware updates, which is convenient. Now a quick look at tech specs and functionality, starting off with noise cancellation. The ANC on the PaMu Quiet Mini seems to be identical to that of the original PaMu Quiet. It works quite well, at least in places like the gym, on the metro, etc. Due to the pandemic, I have not been able to test out airplane noise cancellation on either the Quiet or the Quiet Mini, which is unfortunate. That's an area where the AirPods Pro really shine. But in other noisy environments, they perform surprisingly well and pretty similarly to the AirPods Pro. There's a small amount of hiss with ANC on, which the AirPods Pro do not have, but it's mostly noticeable when you're playing quiet music like classical. It's barely there otherwise. And of course you can turn ANC off as well as switch to a transparency mode, just like with AirPods Pro. Sound quality. The PaMu Quiet Mini has more bass than my AirPods Pro, but a bit less than the original PaMu Quiet. I'm no audiophile, but I thought that the sound quality was quite good. Volume-wise, they are very similar to the AirPods Pro. I've mostly used the PaMu Quiet Mini for music and audiobooks, but phone calls seem fine as well. Bluetooth. The PaMu Quiet Mini has Bluetooth 5.2 as opposed to the older Bluetooth 5.0 on the AirPods Pro as well as on the original PaMu Quiet. This gives it very low latency, which is great for gaming. I'm not a gamer, so I haven't been able to check out this feature, however. Finally, water resistance. Both the AirPods Pro and the PaMu Quiet Mini are rated IPX4, so they're fine to sweat on and get a little bit wet, but that's it. No immersion or swimming. Overall, I think that these are excellent ANC earbuds, and at a sub $60 price point, they are a fantastic deal. Lots to love here with the new PaMu Quiet Mini from PadMate. Again, we've been looking at the PaMu Quiet Mini from PadMate. These earbuds are available directly from PadMate, and although the MSRP is $99, they're currently priced at $69, and you can save an additional $10 with a coupon on the website, bringing your total price down to $59. Alternatively, if you need a wireless charger for your new PaMu Quiet Mini, you can opt to have that bundled into the $69 price, but then you can't take advantage of the $10 coupon. At any rate, for $59 for the PaMu Quiet Mini themselves, or $69 with a wireless charger included, I think these are a great deal. The PaMu Quiet Mini comes in the lovely blue and the pearl white versions featured in this review, as well as meteorite black. Many thanks to the kind folks at PadMate for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.